we got a little special treatment from Chairman at Apollo Hyderabad is that we're also on the eve of our 23rd anniversary. So it's a good enough occasion to say that the team at Apollo Hyderabad deserves a gift, and who more deserving than the gynec team, who's constantly striving to do something special for their patients. Let me use this moment to specially acknowledge your presence and say that you all together and individually have done an amazing job, have made many, many patients happy, have made the cradle an outstanding experience, and I think HIFU is yet one more incredible infrastructure and armamentarium for you to help reach out to patients. The high frequency ultrasound, I think the technical presentation was brilliant, allowed you to make the differentiation between a simple ultrasound which is used for diagnostics, now by adjusting the frequency and by combining it with MR. So two very breakthrough and brilliant things happening. That an ultrasound which was used earlier just for imaging is being used for treatment, for therapeutic, and by combining it with MR, its imaging capability, the ability to hone in on that particular spot, use heat to shrink the tumor rather than going in an operative manner and cutting out that tumor. So it's a major difference. It's a benefit to patients. We're very happy to introduce it. Of course, the first time in AP, and there's only one other machine in the whole country. So it's a tremendous breakthrough. But also it's an introduction of a new treatment for fibroids, but it's also an introduction of a new technology which will be used across the spectrum. We very soon expect it to be working in the treatment of bone mets, which will open up another wide area. It's currently being studied, and you will see FDA approval for that very soon. We'll be adopting that soon. So there are many opportunities evolving in the use of this technology. It's safe, it's non-invasive, it's painless, it's quick, it gets the woman back to work and back to her family. So, the very same day she can be taking care of her children or going back to work the next day. So from many angles, it's a tremendous change in the way this problem was treated. So we're very happy to be introducing it at Apollo Hyderabad and across the Apollo group very soon. Thank you all very much for being here. Please do your utmost to educate women on the great power of this capability, because they should not suffer when they don't need to. Thank you all.